Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with a haul. As you guys know, not this weekend that just passed, but the weekend before that was the VIB sale from Sephora. I mean, depending on your status with Sephora, for me, it was a VIB sale. So I got 15% off everything that I was buying. So I went in and bought some stuff. I went to Forever 21 also. And I went to Marshall's. I got a few makeup stuff, like really cheap, at a really cheap price, and I'm really excited about it. By the way, I just want to mention, I forgot to mention it, if you guys want to see this makeup look, it's gonna be my next video. So stick around for that, and you're gonna know how I did this nice, fresh makeup for you guys. So I'll put it up as soon as I edit it. So I'm gonna start with Forever 21 because I just bought a shirt. I just wanted to show you guys since I bought it like a few days ago after I went to Sephora. There wasn't any sale or anything, but just wanted to show you guys. So it basically looks like this. It says Brooklyn in the front. It's like a baseball shirt. It goes past my butt, like to my hips, past my butt. It's short sleeve. And it's black and white. I really love shirts like that during the summer, even if it's black and I'm probably gonna be hot in it. But since it's like really, it's not tight on me and everything. Like I have another one by H&M, but the material is like really almost like silk, so it's even better. And I really like it because during the summer I don't get hot in it, so that's why I really wanted this one. And I always wanted a shirt like that. Anyways, so that's why I bought it. So this is all I got from Forever 21. That's why I just wanted to like get it over with. So next I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Sephora for the VIB sale. So for me, I'm VIB, so I get 15% off everything that I buy. And also keep in mind, like the prices I'm gonna give you, they're Canadian prices. So if you're from the States, just keep in mind that your price is gonna be lower than mine because it's really expensive here when it comes to makeup. It's not that expensive, but it is more expensive than, even with the like the exchange rate, it comes like to $1 or $2 extra. And also like we get a lot of taxes here compared to like some states in the United States. So like believe me, sometimes I go shopping to the States just for makeup because it's cheaper. That's just the way it is. So the first thing I bought is my facial cleaner. I use a Clinique liquid facial soap for oily skin. This is my holy grail product. Every time I switch, I don't even know why I switch because I always go back to this one. It's like the best. It controls my acne, it controls my oils, it controls everything. It kind of has like a toner in it also because it kind of evens out my skin tone. You guys wouldn't believe all the pimples I had when I was a teenager. And then my sister, I don't know where she was working. I think she was working at Sears or something, and she introduced me to this one. And since then, like since I've been what, 12, I never, like I always go back to this one. Like I said, sometimes I just want to switch up my soap, but they always break me out, so I go back to this one, and within like a few days, not even a week, a few days, my skin is just clear. Like right now, that's all I've been using for like the past, I know I have makeup on, but you guys, I don't have any pimples right now, just so you know. Okay, so this is my go-to. I just love it. So next I got I always wanted to try it, but they have a lot of mixed reviews about it. This is the Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer. There's a lot of mixed reviews about this one, but I always want to try it because I'm really oily. When I say oily, it's like within 2 hours my skin is gonna be like even right now, I just did my makeup and you guys can see I'm already like shiny here. That's just my skin, like I can't, but it's even worse usually, so that's why like I wanted something that's mattifying. And a lot of people say like it's so mattifying that it cracks your makeup, but the thing is, I don't know how oily they are. Like for me, I'm really oily. Like I go like this and it's like, it's disgusting. So I just wanted to try it. I got a sample set, you know, the ones that you get at the cash. I wasn't even going in for this, but there was a long line at the cash, and this is what I saw and I just wanted to grab it, so I took it. Just by the way, this one was this one was $20, so I got $3 off. So yeah, for a small size like this, it's 20 bucks. But I always go for the small size. If you see all my primers, all small sizes. I never have like the big one because I like to switch them up because my skin gets used to everything. So I always have to switch up my products, except for my soap. My soap I love. And just going back to the Clinique, it was $24, so I got it for 20 and 40 cents with my 15% off. Yeah, they have a smaller size if you guys want to try it, but it really depends on your skin tone. But they do have some for every type of skin tone, so that's the good thing about Clinique. And the last thing I got at Sephora is, I'm really excited about this one, is the Soft Glam palette. I've been waiting to get it, and I knew that the sale was coming up, so I just waited to get it. And I was afraid it was gonna get sold out for the weekend, but it wasn't. They had a lot of stock, which I'm surprised because over the last year, every time I wanted to go to the sale, it's like they didn't have anything. Well, at my Sephora at least. So you guys probably seen it a million times, but I'm still gonna show it to you. So it's kind of velvety packaging, which I'm not really a fan of because I don't know, it's just, I feel like it's gonna get dirty, but it looks good. Like the Shelby's has like good packaging, and then you open it. Try not to blind you guys, and it looks like this. Okay, so my brush just fell. Forgot there was a brush, which I appreciate. I know like a lot of palette when it comes to brushes, they're not that good, but it's Anastasia. Come on, it's not like those felt tip. It's actually a brush. So I'm gonna try it. I never tried any of her brushes, so I'm gonna see how it goes. And like I was showing you guys, this is the palette. I mean, does it look good or does it look good? I'm really excited. You guys gonna see me do a lot of looks with this one because it's totally my color palette. I'm just gonna swatch a few for you guys. I'm gonna swatch Dusty Rose. Like, actually, I don't know why I did it there because now it's awkward. So I'm gonna do it here now so you guys can see. Oh, it's even more awkward. Never mind. So Rose Pink, Dusty Rose, and Sultry. I know it's good because I swatched it in the store. Every time I would go to Sephora before I bought it, I would just swatch it and go back. And this is how it looks. It's like purpley shades. She has Sienna. I know Sienna is supposed to be in almost all of her palettes. Like this. And you guys, I never tried any of Anastasia. I know I have a lot of Anastasia products, but I never tried any of her eyeshadows. So that's why I'm like even more excited than I should be. So this is how it looks. It's really pigmented. I love it. And it's really soft. It's almost like a, not powdery. I don't know how to explain it, but it's almost like touching a cushion. If I could say it like that. Yeah. So best believe I'm gonna do tutorials with this palette, even if it's been out for a while now. So yeah, I'm really excited for this one. I can't wait to try it. So next, after that, I went to Marshall's. So I've been creeping on Instagram and seeing a lot of people saying that they would get into more like in the States. I'm not gonna say here because I don't know what's going on here. We don't get anything here, okay? Just don't even try. So apparently if you go to Marshalls and like TJ Maxx in the States, you get a lot of like high-end products discounted prices, and I was like, oh well, that's not fair because we don't get really anything here. Sometimes we'll get some things, but it's always like those palette that's been there for like over 5 years ago. And I saw like a lot of pictures on Instagram saying like they would find Subculture, they would find Prism by Anastasia, the palette, they would find a lot of like Glow Kits Aurora palette, also a lot of lipsticks, a lot of like liquid lipsticks, I mean. And yeah, so I was like, oh my god, like how come we don't get that? So Marshall is like coming around here. Like we have a Winners, like Winners is almost like your TJ Maxx for the States, but the thing is like we never get too much. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go and see like what they have. So I went to my Winners, which is like your TJ Maxx basically, and I found some stuff and I was like, oh my god, so like I should go more often. I saw like they even had like they had the Aurora palette, which is not a big deal because if you go into the Sephora website, they actually have the palette on sale right now. So that's probably why they had so many. And I was like, you know what, it's not really my color palette. It's more like a collectioner item. And right now I'm on a budget, so I'm not gonna buy it anyways because I'm probably not even gonna use it. But they have also like a lot of contour palettes, but like the cream ones for deep tone, but I didn't buy it either, and I'm still wondering if I should go back and get it. And they had a lot of liquid lipsticks. They always like the same colors, but they're always the same colors, but they had a lot of it. And of course they had like Bobbi Brown and stuff like that, but I was mostly excited about Anastasia because you guys know I love it. I have a lot of her products. So yeah, so first I went to my Winners. They had a lot of lipsticks, but I didn't like the colors they had, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go across the street because they have a Marshalls from where I live. So I went with my sister and I found a lipstick that I wanted for a long time. It's actually the one I'm wearing right now. It's the liquid lipstick in the color Sarafine. I don't know how to say it in English, so I'm saying in French. Sarafine, okay? And yeah, so it's a really, really nice red, and I'm just happy I found it because they were having like, they had the same colors they had at the other store I went to, and and then I saw this one and I was like, oh well, I'm gonna get it. Like, are you kidding me? And you guys, it's only 10 bucks. Like, you guys see that? It's $10. Like here, if you want to get one, I think it's $27 here in Canada. I don't know how much it is for you guys, but here it's like almost 30 bucks for liquid lipstick. So for me, for having it at $10, it's a steal. So you guys should go there and like really go like regularly. So you're gonna get like a few you're gonna get like really good products at discounted prices. Like, I always knew they had like good products, but you know. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. I know it's on my lips, but I just want to swatch it for you guys. I swatched it on in store and it didn't move. Like the next day it was like this and I was like, wow. So this is how it looks like. It's really like a deep blue, like red lipsticks. As you can see, like my teeth look so white. So I'm really happy about this. And they had also a lot of NYX, so I did buy some lipsticks from NYX. So I found this set here that you guys probably saw during the holidays. So they had some left. Just so you know, you guys, here for us, one lipstick like this, it's actually this price. It's $12.99. It might even be a bit more, if I'm not mistaken. So basically in this one, it comes with Embellishment, Beauty Mark, and Baby Doll. It's all nude lipsticks. So I'm just gonna open it for you guys and swatch it so you guys can see. So it was basically $12.99 for the 3 lipsticks. So so first I'm gonna swatch Embellishment. So this is Embellishment. Sorry for my swatches, you guys, I'm not that great. So it's kind of almost like a dusty rose kind of color. And then I always wanted Beauty Mark actually, but I never bought it because I thought it was ridiculous for it to be that price, and it's a drugstore product. This one is Beauty Mark. Just gonna swatch it. It's more like a brown color, like really nude for me, which I love. So this is Beauty Mark right here. I already know I'm gonna love this one, but we'll see. And then this one is Baby Doll, which is probably too pale for me, but I know how to work it. I can always like put it on top of Beauty Mark. It's actually a bit streaky. So you guys can see like this one is a bit more streaky. This is Baby Doll right here. It's almost the same color as my nails. You can see it's a bit more streaky, but I can always put it on top of something else just to make like my lipstick lighter, which I do sometimes when I fall into a lipstick and think it's my skin tone, but it's not. It's like way too pale for me. Or I just pair it with my like a brown lip liner and it works really well. So again, this is Sarafine by Anastasia. This is Embellishment, Beauty Mark, and Baby Doll by NYX. And I can't wait to try them, guys. So I have some new lipsticks and a few more stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys what I got in my sale by Sephora. And this is pretty much it, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Like I said, my next video is gonna be on this makeup look. I can't wait to for you to see it. And just don't forget to like, comment down below. For everyone that subscribed to me like in a few weeks and a few months, I just want to say welcome to the family, and I'm so happy you guys like my videos. Just don't forget to comment down below. I always want to talk to you guys, like my videos, and also share my videos with other people so the family can grow. And yeah, and if you're new, just don't forget to subscribe before you go, because I really like it if you guys would join the family. And guys, I'll see you next time in my next video. I have a lot of videos coming up. I don't want to say a lot, but I have a lot of ideas. I just don't know when it's gonna go up, but I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Bye.